Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here today. Whether you're an absolute beginner, a student, a professional looking to upskill, or just someone who's data curious, this introduction to data analysis is your ticket to discovering how data can transform the way we make decisions, solve problems, and even tell stories. My goal is to simplify this topic and make it accessible to everyone. So, if you enjoy what you see, please consider hitting the subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. In this video, we will discuss what data analysis is, what are the steps in data analysis, which tools are essential for data analysis, what is the application of data analysis in the real world, and finally, we will talk about career progression if you're interested to pursue data analysis as a career. So let's begin by answering the question, what is data analysis? Data is all around us. It's the information we generate and collect every day, from shopping transactions to social media posts. Data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and interpreting data to discover useful information, draw conclusions, and support decision making. And it's not just about numbers. Data analysis helps us uncover trends, patterns, and insights that can drive better business strategies, scientific discoveries, and more. Following next, what are the steps involved in data analysis? Data analysis is a systematic process that involves several key steps to transform raw data into actionable insights. Here are the typical steps involved in data analysis. Data collection. The first step is to gather data from various sources, which may include surveys, databases, sensors, websites, or other data repositories. Ensure that the data collected is relevant to your analysis goal. Data cleaning. Raw data often contains errors, missing values, inconsistencies, and outliers. Data cleaning involves identifying and addressing these issues to ensure that the data's accuracy and consistency is maintained. Data transformation. Data may need to be transformed to make it more suitable for analysis. This may include tasks like normalizing, scaling, or encoding categorical variables. Data analysis. The clean data is used for analyzing and identifying trends. It also performs calculations and combines data for better results. Data visualization. Creating visual representations of the data and analysis results is crucial for conveying insights effectively. Visualizations, such as charts, graphs, and dashboards, can help you communicate with your findings to others. And the last step, conclusion and reporting. Document your analysis, process, findings, and any other decisions made based on the analysis. Clear and concise reporting is essential for sharing results with stakeholders. Communicate your findings and insights to relevant stakeholders through presentations, reports, or any other means. Going forward, let's talk about some industry standard, widely used tool for data analysis. These tools are like a dream team for data analysis. Let's break it down. Microsoft Excel. It's a spreadsheet software, great for quick and simple analysis. It's user friendly and many people are already familiar with it. Python, a powerful programming language with extensive libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. It's versatile, allowing for complex analysis, data manipulation, and visualization. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's used for managing and querying relational databases. Great for extracting and manipulating data from databases. Power BI, a business analytical tool by Microsoft. It helps visualize and share insights across an organization, turning raw data into meaningful information. Tableau, another data visualization tool. It helps you create interactive and shareable dashboards, making it easy to explore and understand data. I will talk about each tool and how to use them for data analysis in the upcoming videos. Now, let's talk about some applications of data analysis in the real world. Data analysis is a critical process used in various fields and industries to extract valuable insights and make informed decisions. Here are some common applications of data analysis. Business intelligence, analyzing customer data, trends, and competitor information to make strategic business decisions. Analyzing sales data, customer behavior, and campaign effectiveness to optimize marketing strategies. In the healthcare industry, extracting valuable insights from patient records to improve patient care and outcomes, analyzing disease trends and patterns to understand and respond to public health challenges. In the finance sector, analyzing financial data to assess and manage investment, credit, and market risk, identifying and preventing fraudulent transactions through anomaly detection and pattern recognition. In the retail industry, analyzing sales data to optimize inventory levels and reduce carrying costs, segmenting customers based on purchase behavior to personalize marketing and improve customer experience. In logistics, analyzing traffic and weather data to optimize delivery routes and reduce transportation costs, analyzing supply chain to improve efficiency, reduce lead times, and minimize costs. And in the education sector, using data to assess student performance, identify at risk students, and improve educational outcomes, analyzing enrollment, budget, and resource allocation data for strategic planning. And now, we are going to explore a question that might be on your mind. Are you interested in having data analysis as a career? If you are someone who enjoys solving puzzles, finding patterns, and uncovering hidden insights, you are in for a treat. The first question to ask yourself is, do you have a natural curiosity for understanding the stories behind the data? Data analysis is like being a detective, and each data set is a case waiting to be solved. If you enjoy the thrill of investigation and discovery, this might be the perfect career path for you. Here's a general overview of the career path progression for a data analyst. Entry level data analyst. This is the starting point for most data analysts. As an entry level data analyst, you will work under the guidance of more experienced professionals. Responsibilities typically include data collection, data cleaning, basic analysis, and creating reports or dashboard. Data analyst. After gaining a few years of experience, you can progress to a mid-level data analyst role. In this position, you will take on more significant responsibilities and work on more complex data analysis projects. You may also have the opportunity to specialize in a specific domain or industry, such as finance, healthcare, marketing, or e-commerce. Senior data analyst. With several years of experience, you can advance to senior data analyst positions. In these roles, you will lead complex data analysis projects, provide mentorship to a junior analyst, and play a key role in shaping data analysis strategies within your organization. Data analytics manager or team lead. Manage a team of data analysts and oversee department level analysis projects. You'll be responsible for seeing strategic goals, coordination, team efforts, and ensuring data driven decision making across the organization. Director of Analytics or Chief Data Officer. In larger organizations, experienced data analysts may progress to more senior leadership positions, such as Director of Analytics or CDO. These roles involve setting the data strategy for the entire organization and overseeing data related initiatives. In the upcoming video, we'll talk about how to use Microsoft Excel for data analysis. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.